Most traders feel like if they're not taking trades every single week, then they're doing something wrong. But last week, I didn't take any trades, not a single one. And in this video, I want to explain why. Now, the first reason, and I just want to address confidence in my strategy in this reason, is that there were literally no trades last week which met my criteria or my trading plan. It's literally that simple. No trades came up which met my strategy. I trust my edge, and that's what the confidence I'm talking about is. I trust my edge, and I know it's going to give me a certain average percentage month by month, and basically in the long run, I'm going to have a positive expectancy at the end of the year. Now, that's pretty much what a technical edge is, a positive outcome. And many professional traders have said the exact same thing about what a technical edge is. It's literally just positive expectancy. Now, discipline is a choice, and I chose to not take any trades which were not to my plan. It's literally that simple. Now, were there trades which showed? Yes, there were. Were they to my plan? No. If I had taken those trades, because technically they were kind of my strategy, then I would have lost them, because the rules I basically have tested and back tested over 3 years of data would have made those trades which presented themselves losses. Those trades, if I took them, they would have been losses. Every missed setup, if it's aligned with your plan, is a trading win. I truly believe that this is how you're going to build longevity in trading. It's by following a profitable rule-based trading system. And by the way, if you want to learn the exact strategy and system I use and become that confident, resilient trader, then click the top link in the description. Now, the second thing I want to really address is comparison to other traders. This might be traders you know personally, or it just might be traders on social media. Now, obviously, when you're not taking any trades, you're scrolling social media, you're looking at social media, and there are people who trade different ways, which is completely fine. There's no certain way to trade, but there are people trading different ways who might have taken trades, and most likely, because it's on social media, they would have been winners. Now, it's easy to look at these guys and say that you feel like you're missing out, which is completely fine, because you are kind of missing out in a way that you're not taking trades, you're not in the market, they're in the market and they're making money. So you feel like you're missing out, and you're missing out on potential profit. But actually just think about that for a second. You don't know how they trade. You don't know what their trading plan is. You don't know how much they backtested. You don't know if it's a demo account, real account, what. All you've seen is just numbers go up and down. And sometimes these traders even handpick the trade setups that they want to show on social media. So you don't know any of the things that's going on in the background. You just see numbers going up and down, and that's making you feel bad. And you might even end up strategy hopping, which is literally something I've done, and I'm not proud of it, but I feel like it was needed to get me to where I am today, where I literally just have a tested plan, a tested trading system, and I just follow that religiously. I don't care about the outcome. I literally just follow my plan because I know it's going to give me a positive expectancy. Personally, I literally just measure myself on one thing, and that is, did I follow my plan? Did I deviate from my rules? And if I took a loss, is it a loss to my plan? If I took a win, is it a win to my plan? Because they work both ways. And second, I look at, is there potential to improve something? Is there something which keeps happening in my losses, which I can actually improve, journal, and get better at so I don't lose next time? It's taken me a long time, but literally just focus inwards, focus on yourself and your trading system, and avoid the outside noise. Now, the third bit of motivation, or sort of just talk I want to have with you, is that you have to believe in the long-term vision. Now, a lot of people on social media say this as well, and a lot of professional traders mention this as well, that you can't look at trading as a trade-by-trade basis, not even a week-to-week. It should be minimum one month-to-month basis. You should be looking at how is your trading going, how is your strategy performing over a month-to-month basis, quarter-to-quarter. If you can see that and think like that, it's really, really going to help you. 1 week without trading or taking any trades is not going to ruin the whole trading career or the whole trading account. Personally, for me, and what I would like everyone to be, is literally just focus on trading in a way of being consistent and showing up every single week, every single day. You have to believe in the process, and this is actually where backtesting comes. And if you don't know what backtesting is, it's basically where you test data, you go back in time, like 2-3 years, whatever. I can literally go back to 2020 and backtest my strategy and see how was it performing up till now. That's like a good 5 years of data to give me confidence and belief that my edge is true. And once you have this backtested data, you have a log of 3-4 years of data, you can actually say that, you know what, I know most months, maybe 80-85% of the months, I am actually positive at the end of the month. Now, if you see all this data, one little loss isn't going to change anything. And it really shouldn't, because you have data backing it up. So if you're still listening, believe in the process and the outcomes will take care of themselves. Even without trading last week, I'm up for the month 4.5%. or 4.7%. I'm up for the month with around a 75% win rate. And that's literally following the plan and not getting greedy. I could have taken every single trade and I probably would have been maybe 1 or 2% up for the month. I chose to, stay at 4.7%. I said, you know what, this is a very good month, a 4.7% month looking back on it. is really good. Let me just stick to it, keep my hands off the keyboard, and not trade anymore. And this positive month I've had has not happened because I've forced trades. It is because I have religiously followed a strict trading, mechanical, rule-based trading plan. Now, if you want to believe that you can actually achieve consistent months in trading and become a consistently profitable trader with a clear edge, then remember, click the first link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video gave you mindset tips and just some reassurance that, you know, it's fine. Some people don't take trades every single week, and that's completely fine as long as you stuck to your trading plan. Subscribe for weekly trading tips and insights. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading and stay safe.